Welcome to Hiberna Farm. My name's Dean, and I'm starting a farm. My plan with our 4.5 acre acreage is to regenerate the soil so we can grow bountiful veggies. And we're going to do this through permaculture and regenerative agriculture. We're going to use goats, pigs, geese, ducks, chickens to rebuild the soil. Initially, we'll get planting a garden anyway to get some crop going, but I'd like to plant cover crops to build the soil up, but to give animals some great vegetation to get them mutilated and into the ground. So with our acreage, I am literally getting to start with a blank canvas. We've got a small old barn. The fence around the whole acreage needs repaired. We do have power. We've got propane. We have internet. We're living in an old mobile that is a fight to keep the water out of. However, it's kind of like our little corner of the world where it's our little dream to develop this, to live on it, and hopefully be able to share it with you and our local community with the produce that we're going to grow and farm on this property. So welcome to the channel. I'd appreciate if you would join me on this little journey through homesteading our acreage. So join me, hit the like button, hit the subscribe, leave that bell notified so you get an email when I send up a video once a week, and check out the links in the description for the rest of the interweb media that we've got going there, Facebook and Instagram, and we'll see you guys in the next video.